76% of shoppers judge your product on one thing: the image. So why is good creative still slow, expensive, and off-brand? Not anymore! With Quickads.ai, you can build, generate, and ship on-brand image creatives in one click. Let's start with a cool photo shoot, but one that has taste. Fashion, product, lifestyle, one click. Directly connect your Shopify store or upload raw assets, and in seconds, get copyright-free, on-brand, professional quality photo shoots. Scroll stopping, commercial grade, in minutes. And here's where every other tool breaks. Professionals know detail matters. Texture, product fidelity, logo consistency, realism. This is where Quickads magically works. Let's turn it into usable catalogs. Upload your catalog and transform it into an enriched catalog. In fact, enriched catalogs are the best kept, highest performing secret in the industry right now. And not everyone does this well. You don't need expensive extra tools like Marpipe or Smartly. Now let's build high-performing image ads. Drop in any product URL. Click once and get 3 on-brand ads ready to ship. Need more options to test? Click Variations and you'll make hundreds of variants. Perhaps the only tool that can change templates, copywriting style, customer persona, and much more, yet still maintain your brand identity. Then fine-tune every pixel in the built-in editor. No Photoshop needed. Quickads does it all. Creatives optimized for Shopify, Amazon, Meta, and Google Shopping. The whole loop, only on Quickads.ai.